Action!
Our presentation is all about lab show. This is a job interview. The setting is
Cable
the
man.
interviewer is in front of Angelina Yaya, the interviewee. What's your name?
I know I'm really from me. Yaya, he was asking me, not you. You're such a blur. You're such a loser. By the way, my name is Angelina.
How about you? What's your name?
By the way, I'm Yaya and I'm single.
My mother is stupid and my father is a shithead. That's why I'm like this. And now, why are you applying for this job?
Wait. What is supposed to be the role of home?
Hi, ma'am. Say hi, ma'am. Ayan, o. Diba?
I'm gonna start. Okay, let's start our interview. What's your name?
I know I'm really good. By the way, I'm Yaya and I'm single. Yaya, he was asking me, not you. Sorry. You're such a flirt.
By the way, my name is Angelina from Marikina City. My hobby is texting. And
How about you? What's your name?
my mother is stupid and my father is a shithead. That's why I'm like this.
And why are you applying?
Syunga. Syunga. Gag show.
Because Emperor Sir is planning to take over the world, and I want to be a space ranger like Buzz Lightyear to infinity and beyond.
Oh my God. I'm so thankful you asked me that question. First of all, I would like to thank my mom and dad for their support. And I want world peace. That's my girl. You said exactly what Yaya would. I'm so proud of you. I don't care.
Okay, let's see your talent. Let's see what you can do.
Oh my God, this is the time to show my talent. It's dancing. Go Angelina.
How about you? What can you do?
I can do what you want.
Kaya binasa na muna bago gawin. Yamot ako ah. Gag show nga, gag show.
Pwede ng bubble ka.